Right, for a change, we've got something pretty small to fix. I'm trying to fix. I don't even know if I've got tools small enough to fix it. I'm slightly more used to hitting cars with hammers. So we'll see what we've got here. Right, you can see a little gap in there where I might be able to just pop that. Pop the handle off. Need to find a little flat screwdriver. If we got one, that one might do it. We'll give it a go. Let's see if we can get in there and pop off the strap. Come on. So, managed to do that without it pinging across the room. So things are looking up. Right, now we need a tiny little, is that a Phillips or a Posi drive? I can never tell the difference. Let's see if that'll fit in there. That looks a good fit actually. Two. Three. Missed it completely that time. Have to get some new eyes. That's it. That's 4 of them undone. Right, if I remember rightly, there's some little springs under there we've got to try not to lose. Let's lift it up carefully. What we got there? Oh, there's the spring there. There is the wee spring. Right. Okay. What does that say? After battery replacement, contact. I can't even read it, it's too small. Using tweezers, okay. Contact what? Is that the two little things in there? Right. Okay, we've got some. There's something wrong there. I would say this is the wrong size. So cancel this. Put it back together again quick before you lose little bits. Cut.